Hi, I'm Greg Baldini, one of the developers with Tabular Editor, and I'm here to show you some of our new support for custom calendars in Power BI and tabular models. Here, what I'm working on is a new measure that's going to do a week versus week comparison. You may have seen some of these new DAX functions, like previous week. These take advantage of the new custom calendar in Power BI and tabular semantic models. You'll see we've got tooltips saying that we need a custom calendar to support week-based time intelligence. So we'll go and create a new custom calendar to support this. If we go to our date table, we can create a new calendar. Here, we'll add the columns necessary to do week-based time intelligence. We'll edit these column groups to add a week, a year, and a date. First, we'll add the date. Then we'll add the year. And now we'll add the week of the year. Now we've got a custom calendar that will be able to support this week-based time intelligence. If we go back to this measure that we're defining, we can now use our weekly calendar as an argument to this previous week function. You'll see we've got good auto-completion for all of the built-in custom calendars and all of the new time intelligence functions. I'll save this model, and then we can see how this measure works. Here, I've got a little pivot grid showing our sales by week, and we can see that each of these previous week sales numbers is in fact correct comparing to that prior week. I hope this has shown how you can use custom calendars and get great developer experience in Tabular Editor, and I hope that this will help you to build better semantic models in the future. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one.